Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September the 8th on a Friday, and definitely seeing a different dynamic in the market here the last 4 or 5 days. And we're kind of right in the middle of no man's land. A time to keep it thin, I think, for swing trading and keep it light and keep take your profits quicker is what I do in this case. But anyway, let's take a look at some things that are holding up well. A lot of the manufacturing and machinery. Take a look at Caterpillar, for example. Nice setup here, holding on to all its moving averages. I know these things are kind of boring, but if that's what's working right now, you got to trade, what is working. Another one, CXW, kind of like the way this is put in 3 bottoming tails in a row, closing back above its 10 period. Just recently on a multi-month high there, pulling back, maybe look for a reversal today, possibly. If it does close below these moving averages, I would not want to see that. Probably keep it tight in a situation like that. CARR is kind of another one that's holding up very well. Another manufacturing, heating, air conditioning, but holding them very similar to that Caterpillar look. Holding its moving averages. Once again, kind of boring, but hey, that's what's working. That's what you got to go with. Let's take a look around real quick. ACHR needs to get back above this level. Yeah, it's probably not something. This one right here, Grab, it's got an incredible float. It's going to not be probably a fast mover, but nonetheless, if it does get above this $4 level, you can see here, I got an alert there. It had earnings a few days ago. Apparently, they were really, really good. So, like I said, it's going to be a slow mover, but this one has potential. If it does get above that, it's called the 390 level. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.